Good morning. Today I am going to teach you about cyclic hydrocarbons. We already know that hydrocarbons are the compounds of carbon and hydrogen. Hydrocarbons are of two types, saturated and unsaturated, open chain or closed chain. Today we are going to learn about cyclic hydrocarbons, means closed chain hydrocarbons. The hydrocarbons in which carbon atoms are linked together to form a ring-like structure, closed structure, are called cyclic hydrocarbons. For example, C cyclohexane, in this hydrocarbon, six carbon atoms are linked together forming a closed structure, so it is a cyclic hydrocarbon. In this hydrocarbon, we see that all the six carbon atoms are linked with one another by single covalent bonds. This carbon and this carbon, these two carbon atoms are linked by single bond. This single bond, single bond, single bond, and each carbon atom is attached with two hydrogen atoms by single covalent bonds. Since there is six carbon atoms in this hydrocarbon, so it is hexane. Simply we can say hexane, but it is a cyclic structure, cyclic ring, so its name is cyclohexane. So we can name a cyclic hydrocarbon by writing the parent hydrocarbon, saturated hydrocarbon, and with a prefix cyclo. Cyclic hydrocarbons are also of two types, saturated and unsaturated. The cyclic hydrocarbon in which carbon atoms are joined together by single covalent bonds are called saturated hydrocarbon, and this is the example of saturated hydrocarbon, cyclohexane. Another example, cyclopentane. ये साइक्लोप्रोपेन, cyclobutane. These are the examples of cyclic hydrocarbons. With each carbon atom there are two hydrogen atoms attached here. Now unsaturated cyclic hydrocarbons, the cyclic hydrocarbons in which carbon atoms are joined by double covalent bonds. It means there is an unsaturation in the ring. For example, here we see that there are three double bonds present in this hexagonal ring. This is called benzene, an aromatic compound. Benzene. Since in this hydrocarbon, two carbon atoms are joined together by double covalent bond, so it is unsaturated hydrocarbon. Here is another example. It is a well-known compound for you. In 9th class, you have read about naphthalene ball undergo sublimation. This is the structure of naphthalene and it is unsaturated hydrocarbon. So hydrocarbons may be open chain, for example ethane, methane, propane, ethene, butane, pentane, hexene, and closed chains, I mean cyclic chain, cyclohexane, cyclopentane, cyclobutane, cyclopropane, benzene, anthracene, naphthalene, or this is the structure of another unsaturated cyclic compound. Anthracene. This is an example of unsaturated cyclic hydrocarbon. Here see butane, cyclobutene. Here double bond is present between two carbon atoms, so it is cyclobutene. Okay, thank you. In next video we will learn about homologous series.